I'll show you a quick video how to remove the tank from the petrol cutter. So first of all, remove those fuel tank tubes. They just lift up. Just give them a little wiggle, they come out. After that, undo those two screws here. So we'll need a set of Allen keys for this. Now we need to undo the two screws positioned there and on the other side. So they might be a bit tight, so you can use like pliers or something. Just loosen them up. And on the other side. And then finally you need to remove them two screws here that hold in the bracket. And there you go. So now you would do the same steps, just in reverse. Put your new tank in, connect the tubes, and then screw it back in.